So I thought I'd let you know the ingredients and the bits and pieces that you need for tomorrow's art and messy play sessions. Apologies for the lateness of this. We've had a busy day with my daughter's birthday today, so hence I'm also in my comfy clothes. I do apologise. So the things you'll need for the art session are an egg box, some coloured paint again, spring colours, some scissors, paintbrush, and then either some paper or thin card you can roll, or a paper or plastic drinking straw. And then the other thing I wanted to show you was the rice we're going to use tomorrow for our sensory play session. So we need to dye it. It's not that difficult, but it is a bit messy, so do be careful about what you're touching. So you'll need some rice, just any old basmati or good value bag of white rice is fine. Some food colouring in sort of spring colours. I've just got a bit of gel colouring here in pink, and then some other ones in green and yellow, and some plastic food bags to mush all the food colouring in, and then just somewhere to dry it, so some greaseproof paper and a baking tray or a bowl or whatever you have. So you just pop some rice in each of your bags, so as much or as little as you want to dye. Just going to do a couple of cups, I think, in each bag. Oh, shoot everywhere. And then lastly, we put some in here. Ooh. There you go. And then it's very simple. You literally just pop the dye into the bag. You can use the liquid food colourings as well, but I didn't have any of those at the time. So you just pop it in, as much or as little as you'd like. So as I say, I'm going for some pink. We're going to give yellow a go. Let's put that in there. Not sure how well these ones will take, so this will be an interesting experiment. And then some green. So the liquid food colourings work really, really well. They take very quickly, very easily. And then, I'll put it on before I send it flying. Just seal your bags. Make sure you try and get as much air out of it as possible. And then you should just be able to, sealing the bag, swish around the rice that you've got inside. You can see it's starting to turn now. This one, a lovely pink colour. As I say, I'm trying to go for some spring colours to continue our spring theme. And just carry on smooshing it about until you think that you've got a good coverage of colour. And then when you've done that, you just tip it onto a greaseproof paper, spread it out a bit, and leave it to dry. It's really, really simple. So I'm going to leave mine to dry overnight. So by tomorrow, when I go to pick up all my bits and pieces to come into school, they should be all nice and dry and have taken the colour of the food dye really, really well. You can see I've managed to dye myself in the process as well. Just about right. That's it. And then the same with the third one. You can use obviously as many as many food colourings as you like, as much rice as you like. Just make sure obviously that you dye it fully and that it's dry fully before you handle it to play with tomorrow. So that's as easy as it is really, and I'm going to tidy up, and I'll see you tomorrow for our art and messy play session. Good night.